Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's continue learning Amharic, and this is lesson 29. Okay, so here is እዚህ. So try to say from here. ከዚህ. Ask, is it far from here? ከዚህ ሩቅ ነው? Ask, is it near from here? Is it close to here? Is it near from here? ከዚህ ቅርብ ነው? So how would you say your house to a woman? So to show possession, we have been learning new pattern, new way of saying. So for yourself, you add a sound at the end, ቤቴ, to say my house. To a woman, you add sh sound at the end, ቤትሽ. Okay, so try to say your car to a woman. መኪናሽ. Your child, your daughter. ልጅሽ. Okay, so ask a woman, where is your house? Where is it located? ቤትሽ የት ነው? She responded back, it is not far. ሩቅ አይደለም. It is not far from here. ከዚህ ሩቅ አይደለም. It is nearby from here. It is close to here. ከዚህ ቅርብ ነው. Try to say a walk of 3 minutes or a travel of 3 minutes. የ3 ደቂቃ ጉዞ. But ጉዞ or travel is for long distance travel. So we use street to say walk sometimes for short distance walk. Okay, so try to say a street of 3 minutes, meaning a 3 minutes walk. የ3 ደቂቃ መንገድ. Try to say it is 3 minutes walk from here. ከዚህ የ3 ደቂቃ መንገድ ነው. It is not very far. በጣም ሩቅ አይደለም. Okay, so do you remember how you'd say who? ማን. Try to say who is he? ማን ነው? Or if you have mentioned the subject explicitly, እሱ ማን ነው? Say who is she? ማነች? እሷ ማነች? Say who are you to a man? ማነክ? Okay, do you remember how you'd say your house to a woman? You add sh sound at the end. ቤትሽ. What about husband? ባል. So try to ask, who is your husband? Your husband, who is he? ባልሽ ማን ነው? Ask, where is your house? Your house, where is it? ቤትሽ የት ነው? Job is ስራ. So do you remember how you'd say what is it? ምንድን ነው? Okay, so try to ask your job, what is it? Meaning, what's your profession or what do you do? ስራሽ ምንድን ነው? Okay, who are you to a woman? አንቺ ማነሽ? Or simply ማነሽ? or ማነሽ? Name is ስም. Okay, so try to say your name to a woman. ስምሽ, ስምሽ. So in Amharic, to say what's your name, we say your name, who is it? Okay, so try to say your name, who is it? Meaning, what's your name? ስምሽ ማን ነው? ስምሽ ማን ነው? Okay, so to a man, we add k sound to show possession. So to say your house, we add k sound at the end and it goes like ቤትክ, ቤትክ. Okay, so try to say your son to a man. ልጅክ, your daughter. ልጅክ. Daughter and son is the same in Amharic. Okay, so ልጅክ. Try to say your car. መኪናክ, መኪናክ. Then ask a man, what is your job? ስራክ ምንድን ነው? ስራክ ምንድን ነው? Ask a woman same question. ስራሽ ምንድን ነው? ስራሽ ምንድን ነው? Okay, so wife is ሚስት, ሚስት. So try to say your wife, who is she? Who is your wife? ሚስትክ ማነች? ሚስትክ ማነች? Okay, then ask him, who is your name or what's your name? ስምክ ማን ነው? ስምክ ማን ነው? So correct is ትክክል. Correct is ትክክል. Try to say it is correct. ትክክል ነው. ትክክል ነው. So how would you say something? የሆነ ነገር, የሆነ ነገር. Try to say this thing. ይሄ ነገር, ይሄ ነገር. So try to ask, is this thing correct? Like you are showing your suspicion. You are expressing your suspicion about it. So is this thing correct? ይሄ ነገር ትክክል ነው? ይሄ ነገር ትክክል ነው? Okay, ትክክል means also right. Okay, correct or right, ትክክል. Okay, ይሄ ነገር ትክክል ነው? Try to say, is this job right? Is this lawful? ይሄ ስራ ትክክል ነው? ይሄ ስራ ትክክል ነው? Phone is ስልክ. Mobile phone is ስልክ. Okay, and number is ቁጥር. So try to say phone number. ስልክ ቁጥር, ስልክ ቁጥር. Then ask, is this phone number right? Is this phone number correct? ይሄ ስልክ ቁጥር ትክክል ነው? ይሄ ስልክ ቁጥር ትክክል ነው? Say, I don't know. I don't know is አላውቅም. As I told you, it starts with al sound when we negate verbs and ends with negating about yourself. Okay, አላውቅም. So it seems to me is ይመስለኛል. I feel like, I think, it seems to me. ይመስለኛል. Literally it means it seems to me. ይመስለኛል. So try to say it seems correct to me. ትክክል ይመስለኛል. ትክክል ይመስለኛል. Okay, so I don't know is አላውቅም. You are not is አይደለክም, አይደለክም. Try to say to a man, you are not Canadian. ካናዳዊ አይደለክም, ካናዳዊ አይደለክም. Try to say you are not correct. ትክክል አይደለክም, ትክክል አይደለክም. Try to say to a woman, you are right, you are correct. ትክክል ነሽ, ትክክል ነሽ. And you are not is to a woman አይደለሽም, አይደለሽም. So you are not Kenyan to a woman. ኬንያዊ አይደለሽም. ኬንያዊ አይደለሽም. Try to say I don't know. አላውቅም አላውቅም። Okay, so how would you say your name to a woman? ስምሽ ስምሽ. So try to say I don't know your name to a woman. ስምሽን አላውቅም. If you noticed, we add n sound at the end because she is the action receiver. Okay, so ስምሽን አላውቅም. ስምሽ is your name and we add n sound. ስምሽን አላውቅም. ስምሽን አላውቅም. Try to say I don't know your house to a woman. ቤትሽን አላውቅም. ቤትሽን አላውቅም. Okay, do you remember how you say phone number? ስልክ ቁጥር. But like for short you can say ስልክ. Okay, simply. So try to say I don't know your phone, meaning I don't know your number. ስልክሽን አላውቅም. ስልክሽን አላውቅም. Okay, so she is እሷ. She is እሷ. So to show possession, for I we add a sound at the end. ቤቴ, ስሜ, ልጄ, መኪናዬ. For you, when you are addressing a woman, you add sh sound to show possession, right? So your house, ቤትሽ, your car, መኪናሽ, ልጅሽ, ስራሽ. If you are addressing a man, you add k. So your house, ቤትክ, your son or your daughter, ልጅክ, ስራክ. So for she, we add o sound, o. Okay, so she is እሷ. Her house is ቤቷ. ቤት, house, ቤቷ, her house. Try to say her car. መኪናዋ መኪናዋ. Her son or her daughter. ልጇ ልጇ. Okay, try to say her house. ቤቷ. So around is አካባቢ. If you remember, አካባቢ. So try to say around 8 o'clock. 8 ሰዓት አካባቢ. 8 ሰዓት አካባቢ. Around ቦሌ. ቦሌ is a well-known city center here in Addis. Around ቦሌ. ቦሌ አካባቢ. Try to say around ፒያሳ. ፒያሳ አካባቢ. So her house is around ቦሌ. ቤቷ ቦሌ አካባቢ ነው. ቤቷ ቦሌ አካባቢ ነው. My house is around ፒያሳ. ቤቴ ፒያሳ አካባቢ ነው. ቤቴ ፒያሳ አካባቢ ነው. Ask a woman, where is your house? Or around where is your house? You are asking her for some area where her house is located. ቤትሽ የት አካባቢ ነው? ቤትሽ የት አካባቢ ነው? She gonna respond like my house is around ቦሌ. ቤቴ ቦሌ አካባቢ ነው. ቤቴ ቦሌ አካባቢ ነው. It takes 15 minutes from here. 15. It takes 15 minutes from here. ከዚህ 15 ደቂቃ ይወስዳል. ከዚህ 15 ደቂቃ ይወስዳል. It's not very far. It is not a lot far. ብዙ ሩቅ አይደለም. ብዙ ሩቅ አይደለም.